pros and cons of investing in a gold IRA. Investing in a gold IRA can be a great way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect your assets against inflation. But before you decide to invest in one, it's important to understand the pros and cons of investing in a gold IRA. Pros of investing in a gold IRA. If the economy goes into recession or there is an economic downturn, investments like stocks and bonds are usually hit hardest. Gold's value will usually hold steady even when other investments start declining. It offers greater liquidity than more traditional retirement investment vehicles like stocks or mutual funds. Cons of investing in a gold IRA. On the downside, gold isn't always as liquid as other investments. This can make it difficult to access your money quickly if you need it in an emergency. Additionally, you may be subject to capital gains tax when you sell gold, so you need to factor that into your calculations when considering a gold IRA. Finally, gold prices can fluctuate rapidly, so there is the potential for significant losses if you don't invest with care. Gold IRA are a great option for those looking to diversify their retirement portfolio and ensure their financial security in the future. Gold is known as a safe haven asset, and its value can remain stable even in times of market turmoil. Furthermore, gold is a tangible asset that has real-world uses and is highly portable, making it an ideal choice for investors who want to hedge against market volatility. When investing in a gold IRA, it is important to do your research and make sure you are choosing a trusted custodian. Additionally, make sure you understand all of the tax implications associated with such an investment before proceeding. With the right information and due diligence, gold can be an excellent tool to help you achieve your retirement goals. Request your free gold guides now from Augusta Precious Metals by clicking the link below the video or visiting easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them toll-free at 1-855-470-4636. Take action right away to help diversify and protect your retirement now. Visit easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-855-470-4636 now. They look forward to helping you answer your questions and get started right away. You'll be glad you did.